we wake up and oftentimes we are in a good mood, but oftentimes we are not in a good mood. You know what I'm talking about? Some.
Oh, thanks for this awesome video.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. What I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar and just woke up right now. I'm in the mountains. So wanted to record this quick video for you. You know, oftentimes we, the normal human beings, people like you and me, we wake up and oftentimes we are in a good mood, but oftentimes we are not in a good mood. You know what I'm talking about? Sometimes we wake up angry, wake up hungry, wake up irritated, wake up bothered, wake up not feeling good. And of course there is a biological reasons for that, but the thing is you can actually change those reasons. And here's what I mean by that. You see, your feelings, your emotions are dictated by your habits and your rituals. So whenever you have a shitty day or a bad day, ask yourself, you know, what can I do right now to get back my good feeling? What can I mean, because there is nothing that's more important than you than feeling good. Because when you feel good, you can now do good things. You can actually make other people feel good. You can actually do the productive work, you can do what's needed, you can take the action. But if you're not feeling good, if you are always spending majority of your day, majority of your hours irritated, angry and frustrated, guess what? You're not going to be using your talent, you're not going to be using your skills, you're not going to be using your good stuff. So that's my tip for you right now. So make sure you wake up every single day and do the rituals and the habits to make sure that you install them in the right way, so that you have the right feeling, the confidence, and basically you feel good. Because like I said, there is nothing more important than you feeling good, because now when you feel good, you can make other people feel good. That's my tip for you right now. Checking in this video for you from the mountain. I hope you're having an amazing time. Bishal Sarkar here, always reminding you that confidence is not about perfection, it's all about connection.
I'm a man on a mission.